Hey guys, Nick from Rustic Deco Incorporated here, and today I'm going to be explaining the features of our line of Knox products. Now, I have the desk version here with me today, but these features are present across the entire line. Located on each end of the base is a crank wheel used to adjust the table up and down, and then two locking bolts used to secure this T from shaking. Simply crank both of these down to lock the T in place. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, just give us a call at 865-357-3876 or shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com.